Whisper of the Sea. Once upon a time, there was a small village by the beautiful sea. This village was wrapped in the sound of the waves and the scent of the tide, and people lived with the sea. Especially at night, various sounds heard from the sea enveloped the village, and people were invited to a comfortable sleep. One night, Akira, a young man in the village, woke up to a strange sound that was different from usual. The sound was not only the sound of the waves, but also like a singing voice coming from somewhere. Akira went to the beach to be guided by the sound. When I arrived at the beach, a boat on the waves illuminated by the moonlight. She had blue hair fluttering and a gentle song. The singing voice was like one with the sound of the waves and echoed deep in my heart. Akira was able to see her and couldn't even talk to her. The mermaid noticed the presence of Akira and smiled. "I'm a sea spirit, and my name is Sheila. You were attracted to my singing voice, weren't you?" Akira thought that she was in a trance and continued to talk. "Why are you singing at this hour?" Sheila answered, "Every night, through the sound of the sea, I deliver peace to people who are tired of sleep. But today is a special night. I'm very happy that you listened to my song. Akira became warm in my heart. I also want to hear more of your songs. Please, sing all the time." Sheila laughed and started singing again as the waves swayed gently. The voice enveloped Akira's heart, like soft silk. When he realized it, he had fallen asleep before he knew it. The next morning, Akira woke up on the beach in the village. Sheila's singing voice still remained in my head, and my heart was calm. He told the villagers about last night, and we all decided to go to the sea again to listen to Sheila's song. The villagers gathered on the beach the next night and waited for Sheila's singing voice with the sound of the waves. Then she appeared again and echoed a gentle song. And that night, the villagers were also wrapped in a pleasant sleep and felt that the sound of the sea healed everything. Since then, the villagers have been guided by the sound of the sea and Sheila's singing voice, and they began to sleep with happy dreams every night. Sheila always watched from the bottom of the sea and continued to wish that the people in the village would be happy. In this way, the story of the sound of the sea inviting people to sleep was handed down as a village legend. And even now, Sheila's singing voice dwells in the sound of the waves, and it gently wraps the listener. The end.